This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Grammarly on Google Docs. First of all, open your Chrome Web Store and search here Grammarly and click on Grammarly. All you have to need, just add this Grammarly extension on your Google Chrome and click on this puzzle icon and make sure to pin the Grammarly. And now go to your Google Docs and click on this Grammarly icon, and you need to log in here. If you don't have any account, then click on sign up. And I'm gonna sign up with my Google account. Okay, now again I'm clicking on this Grammarly icon, and here we can see an option, check for writing suggestions for Google Docs. Make sure to enable this option, and now you can easily use your Grammarly on your Google Docs. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.